I think about being Black and unlimited. I think about the confidence it takes to be a Black woman in America. Being unlimited, simply that, just being able to do whatever you want to do without any end. My name is Lavinia. I am a Black creator. I am a woman over 40. I am Black and unlimited. As a kid, I was very quiet. I was the one in the corner. I grew up in a small 3-bedroom house with my grandma, my mom, aunts, and uncles. So you can imagine what it was like to grow up in a home like that. Lots of fun, lots of singing, and just bonding as a family. I was the one in the corner, always quiet, always observing, to the point where I was sent to speech class because I wouldn't talk. I was so very shy and bashful. I remember joining the choir, being inspired by one of my uncles. I don't even know at the time if he knew I could sing, but I knew I could sing. I was just that bashful. My journey as a creator started, I remember standing in a makeup counter at the time and saying to one of my coworkers, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. I've been quiet, I've been reserved all of my life, and I was at that time just over 40, and I remember saying I'm gonna do this in that same sentence, just being really nervous about doing it. I eventually jumped in and started my YouTube channel, which then led to me posting at that time on Instagram, and then once I heard about TikTok, I eventually joined the TikTok community. That's where my journey started as far as being a creator. I love what I do. I will continue to do it as long as I can. I'm currently 50 years old. I celebrate that as often as I can. I am here as a Black creator. I am here to inspire all, but I'm here to represent women over 40. I am Black and unlimited.